Hi, this is the HONOR Magic5 Lite and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first you should open the Play Store app and in the search pool add the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard click on the switcher. After that, just tap to OK, and now let's just go back to application, tap to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's check the new device keyboard. And we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.